All right, so I think it's a great experience for all the players coming down, and this opportunity for them to just come and play, showcase their talent. So facility for me was great. The coaching staff, I think, it was very organized, and then the boys seemed to give giving a good account of themselves. So great first experience, and I wish them all the best tomorrow.
All right. And in terms of improvement, is there any particular area of the whole day that you think could value could be added to and could be improved on?
Okay, so maybe some smaller sided games first, so smaller numbers, maybe 3v3, 4v4s, build up to the bigger game, which, and then we definitely, you need goalkeepers. So I would have loved to see a couple goalkeepers with references to